This dance is called Forever Amen. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot. Cross rock, right over left. Recover your weight back on the left. Chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, side close side. Cross rock, left over right. Recover your weight back on the right. Chassé to the left, side close side. That set of steps once more then. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé. Cross rock, left chassé. Rock back on your right. Recover your weight on the left. Now you're going to do a chassé to the right, but you're going to put a quarter turn on it to start with. So a quarter turn left as you step that right to the side, close side. It's your quarter turning chassé. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, shuffle forward on the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, left, close, left. That set of steps once more then. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8. Back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle. Let's add those 2 sets together. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle. Make a quarter turn left as you step your right to the side, and make sure you have completely turned your body at this point. Step the left beside the right. Chassé to the right, side close side. Cross rock, left over right. Recover your weight on the right. Then we're going to chassé to the left. And we're going to put a quarter turn on the end. So we step left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Chassé, turn. That set of steps once more then. Quarter turn, close into that chassé to the right. Off on the right. 7, 8. Turn, close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock, chassé off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, turn. Half turn to the left. Now you're going to make this half a turn to the left and step back on that right. Step the left beside the right, shuffle forward on the right, right close right. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right into a coaster step, 1 and 2 count timing steps, back close step. End of the dance when you get to that point. So that set of steps once more then. You've just done your chassé, quarter turn. Further half a turn left as you step that right back. Off on the right then. 7, 8. Turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Let's put it all together. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. Now we have got the equivalent of a 3/4 turn between those last two sections. So you will do your chassé to the left with that quarter turn on the end, and then you start the next section by adding a further half. So it's a 3/4 turn. Do try and put the turns in, because the dances do look so much better when you are in there. However, should you be struggling to actually fit that in, either you can't get it in time to the music, although this music is not fast for this particular dance, or it's making you feel dizzy or disorientated, there are some alternatives that you can do. So when you do that chassé, rather than turning to the left, turn to the right at the end. So you go side, close, quarter turn right as you step back on that left. Step back on the right, step the left beside the right, that takes out that half a turn, shuffle forward on your right into your forward rock coaster step. Non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out. Otherwise that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, cross rock, right chassé, cross rock, left chassé, back rock, turn chassé, back rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step. So that is your dance and your walk throw. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, back, rock, turn chassé, back, rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, back, rock, turn chassé, back, rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, back, rock, turn chassé, back, rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, cross, rock, right chassé, cross, rock, left chassé, back, rock, turn chassé, back, rock, left shuffle, turn, close, right chassé, cross, rock, chassé, turn, turn, close, right shuffle, forward rock, coaster step, cross rocks, back rock, turn,
time takes its toll on the body.
half
Makes the
turn,
young girl's brown hair turn gray.
Cross rock.
Honey, I don't care. I ain't in love with your hair.
Back
And
rock.
if it all fell out, well, I'd love you anyway.
Turn.
They say time can play tricks on memory.
Half turn.
Make people forget things they knew.
Cross
But
rock.
it's easy to see. It's happening to me.
Back
I've
rock.
already forgotten every woman but you. Oh,
Turn.
darling, I'm gonna love you forever.
Half turn.
Forever and ever, amen. As
Cross rock.
long as old men sit and talk about the
Back
weather.
rock.
As long as old women sit and talk about old men.
Turn.
If you wonder how long I'll be faithful,
Half turn.
just listen to how this song ends. I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, amen. I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, forever and ever, forever and ever, amen.
Hope you managed that one.